The iPhone boosts productivity with its on-the-go PDF creation feature. Manage and create PDFs easily with iPhone's Files app. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Navigate to the document or file and long press on it to bring up the contextual menu. Tap the Share option. From the Share sheet, scroll down and tap Print. A preview of the PDF will appear. Now, tap the Share button from the top right corner. Select the location where you want to save the PDF, either in the Files app or in a cloud storage service. You can also opt for the Save to Files option. Here, you can either replace the file or choose to keep both. What if you have images or photos that you want to convert into a PDF? Open the Photos app on your iPhone. Navigate to the image or photo you want to convert. Tap on the Share button. From the Share sheet, scroll down and tap Print. Now here, pinch outwards with 2 fingers on the preview of the photo. This will open the Share sheet again, but this time with a PDF preview. Tap the Share button once more. Choose the location where you want to save the PDF, such as the Files app or a cloud storage service. Tap Save to Files or the relevant option to create the PDF. Instead of bookmarking the web page, you can convert it into a PDF. Open Safari or any other web browser on your iPhone. Navigate to the web page you want to convert into a PDF. Tap the Share button at the bottom of the screen. Choose options right below the title of the page. Select the PDF format. Hit Done to proceed. Now, share the document as you desire. You can even choose the Save to Files option. Adobe Acrobat Reader is a well-known PDF app that allows you to create, edit, and annotate PDFs. It offers advanced features like OCR, optical character recognition, and the ability to fill out forms electronically. PDF Expert is a feature-rich PDF editor that enables you to create PDFs, add annotations, and sign documents digitally. It also integrates seamlessly with cloud storage services, making it easy to access and share your PDFs across devices. The Microsoft Office suite, including apps like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, allows you to create PDFs directly from your documents. It offers a familiar and user-friendly interface for those who are accustomed to working with Microsoft Office products. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.